Fix Binance login problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to Play Store and then search for Binance application. If there is an update button, simply update your application. Next, tap and hold the Binance app and then go to App Info. After that, go to its storage section and clear cache. If the problem still does not go away, what you have to check is if you have a stable internet connection or not. If not, switch to flight mode for some second like this and turn it off after some time. And this should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.